Hello, welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing, for your questions and comments. Before I start, I'd like to introduce you my new class. It's called Spanish English Cardiovascular System, 3.5 hours of a medical terminology training. In the bottom of each video, you can download terminology. And this class is right now for sale for $43. You can purchase it by clicking on the first link below this video. Hola, amigos amigos, quiero presentarles mi nuevo training, Sistema Cardiovascular, Terminología Médica, Inglés, Español. Puedes cargar y comprar este training clicando sul link embaixo de este video sulla piattaforma di Thinkific. Il costo è $43. Ora tengo un sconto di 10% penso per il primo mese. E questo corso consiste in terminologia medica e materiale di training in forma di 3 horas y media di video. Al final di questo training puedes obtener terminologia médica en 2 idiomas, inglés y español, y también un certificado de reconocimiento. Said that, si quieres comprar, puedes clicar sobre la tarjeta en bajo, $43. Gracias. So said that, guys, me and Carmela are creating another consecutive interpreting practice called, this is OBGYN. And Carmela is going to be our Spanish speaker. Go ahead, Carmela, introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Carmela. I'm a Spanish English interpreter. Hola a todos. Hagamos esta práctica juntos. Let's do this practice.
Hi, Ms. Gonzalez. This is Dr. Jared. We're going to talk about C-section with you today.
Bueno.
Of course, the best way to deliver the baby is naturally, but if you can't deliver the baby naturally, or if you do not want to suffer, we can do a C-section.
Sí.
Do you know what is a C-section?
Sí, es cuando cortan para sacar al bebé.
Oh, okay, I see you have some knowledge. This is very good.
Sí, sé un poquito sobre esto. ¿Tiene algún riesgo importante?
Yes, there are risks, as with any surgery, risk of bleeding, infection, internal organ damage, or perforation of the nearby organs.
Ok. Ok.
También español, okay. Yes, in a case of bleeding, we already discussed with your previous appointment the risk of it, and if it's necessary to receive blood or blood products. Do you remember?
Sí.
The second major risk is a risk of infection. You should know that before each C-section, you're going to receive an antibiotics through the IV to prevent the infection.
Bueno,
Sometimes people do have infection after the procedure. And if this is so with you, we'll just continue with antibiotics afterwards. Sometimes for longer, sometimes you have to stay a bit longer in the clinic after you deliver the baby.
entiendo.
And the last category is risk of a traumas or damages to the structures that are close to the area or nearby organs.
Bueno,
If you do suffer any damages during the procedure, we're going to try to fix it at the same time to correct. And sometime, if it's necessary, you may need additional surgery that is done in addition to the C-section to correct. But either ways, we try to fix everything at the same time in case there is a damage.
ok, sí.
And if we're if we're going to do the C-section, would you like us to close your tube so you do not have any more children?
No,
Okay, if you understand all that, you can sign all those documents. And of course, this is not the worst situation, but just in case we discuss those scenarios. Do you have any further questions?
no.
Can you please initial over here?
Bueno,
And also initials here, please.
bueno.
Do you have any questions about the entire process of the delivery?
No, no tengo preguntas.
And now this is the last document, the consent form for the delivery. This is just a document that allows us to assist you during the delivery of the baby. The document says that at any time you can request us to call an interpreter, and we're going to provide you one for free. And also it's written that you choose to have a virtual interpreter, not a physically present one.
Oh, bueno. Sí, sí, gracias.
Thank you, Ms. Gonzalez. See you next week for your ultrasound. Have a good day.
Gracias, doctor.
And also thank you guys for being here at this training. Me and Carmela again did consecutive. I hope you like it. You had fun. Do like, share, subscribe, and press the like button below. Thank you and have a good day.